Hello, the Awkward Entrepreneur, coming to you with another video here. I had made the decision that I was gonna start making videos on a regular basis, and I was gonna make some based on these PDA units I had. But I got the packing, getting ready to get them out, and forgot to do the video, so I'm gonna do it right now. But anyway, these ones on the table, they're not sold, but I sold a lot of others. Excuse my mess again here. Got me listening to some Ed Milet. So these PDAs I picked up, a friend of mine that called me, and these I recently sold. These are they have a scanner on them, and picked these up $8 a piece. And I have direct buyers for certain things, so I lotted them up and sent an email and off to the races. So I'm packing them up like this, throw them in a box, they're paying for shipping, and they'll be gone. So this is one of the benefits, as I was saying. Over the years, I built a relationship with companies that buy items and refurbish them and then resell them, so everybody can make some money. I'll make me a nice profit. Total of upwards of $800 or so, and then that company will probably make a whole lot more than that, after going through adding batteries to them, chargers. They'll sell them probably $300-400 a piece. But anyway, this is a video I wanted to make before I got done packing them. As you see, I already started packing them, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of here, and I'll be coming with another video. So this is just another thing to reiterate. I like dealing with business type of equipment because I can sell them to direct buyers, one, and two, if I decided to actually resell these and take my time and do so, I can make quite a bit of money with not that big of an outlay of cash. So I guess that's it for this video. I'll be making other videos soon. I was thinking about doing one because now I have my little room where I'm trying to just do my processing and my my packing, the majority of packing, because my daughter went away to school, and so I stole this room back. My wife wanted to keep it set up, and she's only here a couple of months out of the year, if that. So anyway, I'm not going to belabor the point, but as you see, I got a little mess I had it cleaned up yesterday, but I got plenty of more stuff in the garage, and I'm going to be getting to that, selling some stuff on Etsy, Amazon, eBay. Do OfferUp, and more so try to do direct sales. So yeah, anyway, I'll be doing a video on this deal here, second one I picked up, but a nice profit. So anyway, that's it for today, and I'll be back soon. Thank you.